Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good. And what is your name?
My name is Ruby.
Hello. And how old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
9 years old. And what is your hobby?
I like drawing.
You like drawing? Yeah, very good. So this is your speaking test. Are you
Yes.
ready?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, let's go. Can you tell me, where's he from, please?
Britain,
Yeah,
Vietnam,
yeah,
America,
yeah.
Australia, Japan, Thailand, My- Malaysia,
Yeah, Malaysia. Yeah,
Singapore,
yeah, very good. Thank you. And can you tell me about Ken and his friends, please?
Ken.
Yeah,
Ken 9 years old.
yeah,
He from Thailand.
yeah.
He like swimming.
Very good.
Island.
Yeah,
He from Australia.
yeah.
He 10 years old. He like drawing. Teacher Miss Linda. She from America.
Very good.
Sarah. She from Singapore.
Yeah.
She 10 years old. She like cooking.
Very good. Okay, and could you tell me about these times, please? So could you tell me what time is this?
3:20.
Good.
12.
Yep.
9:15.
Yeah, 9:15. Yep.
8:45.
Very good.
5:50.
Yeah, 5:50. Yep. Good. And could you tell me about this daily routine, please? So, what happens?
I get up. I wash the face.
Yeah, wash my face. Yeah.
Brush my teeth.
Very good.
I have breakfast.
Yeah.
I get the
Dressed.
rent.
Yeah, very good.
I go to school.
Yeah.
I have lunch.
Yeah.
I have the ring.
Dinner.
The ram.
Yeah, dinner.
I do homework.
Yep, homework.
I go to bed.
Yep, very good. And could you tell me about your daily routine, please? So, what time do you get up?
I get up at 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. Yeah. What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 6:45.
6:45. What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 6:20.
Very good. What time do you normally go to bed? 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock.
Yeah, good. Okay. And could you tell me, please, what do you normally do on a Saturday?
I water the flower and do homework.
Yeah, very good. And what do you do on a Thursday?
I study at school and play in football.
You play football. Yeah, very good. And can you tell me about the months of the year, please? So,
January,
yeah.
February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Very good. Thank you. And could you tell me what drinks are these, please? What drinks are these? So, what drink is this?
Milk tea,
Very good. What's that?
smoothie,
Very good. What's that?
juice,
Yeah.
milk sauce,
Milk shake.
milk sauce.
Shake. Yeah, shake. Very good. And what food and snacks can you see here, please? So, what's this?
Pizza,
Yep.
popcorn,
Very good.
bread,
Yep.
apple,
Yep.
banana, pasta,
Very good. Thank you. And can you tell me what birthday food you can see? What are these?
salted tea,
Yep.
fried chicken,
Yeah. Fried chicken.
fried chicken.
Yeah, very good.
Birthday cake.
Yeah,
Chan. July.
yeah, candy.
Candy.
Yeah,
Cake.
cakes. Yeah, very good. Okay, and can you tell me about your birthday party, please? So when is your birthday party?
My birthday is in April.
Yeah. Yeah.
I have a birthday party at my home. My family and my friend come to my party.
Yeah.
I want to eat some birthday cake and pizza.
Pizza. Yeah.
I want to drink some milk tea and orange juice.
Yeah, very good.
I get many presents from my family and friends.
Yeah.
We sing a happy birthday song.
Yeah.
We play games.
Yeah, we play games. Yeah.
We just photo together.
Yeah, so we take photos. Take photos. Yeah.
I am very happy at my birthday party.
Yeah, very good. Well done. Good.